So this bird right here decided to fly into my house, our house.
From downstairs
to upstairs. And it doesn't want to leave. We have the window open. We're trying to get it to leave for the past few minutes now.
I'm finna try to catch this mug right now. It's finna fly up. Don't scream, babe. Don't get scared.
I ain't scared. Right? We're gonna have that bird for dinner tonight.
No, we ain't gonna have the bird for dinner.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not having the bird for dinner.
Why not?
Because.
I'm gonna kill that little fucker.
Come on. You're alright. You're alright.
It's probably in here.
Okay. Oh.
You mother freak. You dumb bird. You see how dumb this bird is right now? It just...
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Be careful. Sorry, there you go. You see that? Get your ass out. Get your ass out. There you go. Damn.